Who hasn't heard about nitric oxide and its fabulous properties for sports performance, among others? If you're not familiar with it, head over to our channel and check out the other nitric oxide videos. Normally, when talking about supplements, we talk about exogenous supplementation, like taking pills. However, today, I'm going to show you guys something different. A delicious, all-natural, homemade recipe that you can try at home when looking to give yourself a boost of nitric oxide. I'm not just going to explain to you how to prepare it, but I'll also talk about the properties in each ingredient and also the precautions that we need to take in order to ensure that we don't abuse anything. Ingredients. What will we need for our concoction? 1 cooked beet. You can also buy pre-cooked, vacuum-sealed beets at your local supermarket. 1 pomegranate. 1 orange. Optionally, 1 tablespoon of activated chia seeds. To activate the seeds, leave them to soak at least 1 hour before starting the recipe. And water as needed to thin out the smoothie. Method. 1. First, we'll need to soak the chia seeds for at least an hour ahead of time to activate them. 2. Cut the orange in half and juice both sides. 3. For the pomegranate, you can also cut it in half and juice it the same as you did with the orange. Or you can very patiently remove each individual seed and put them in the blender. 4. If you're choosing to work with a raw beet, you should boil it, or if you've bought one pre-cooked, we're good to go. 5. Now you'll put everything in the blender and you can add water if you'd like a thinner smoothie. Properties of the ingredients. Beets. Beets provide us good amounts of inorganic nitrate that, when ingested, is metabolized into nitric oxide. Contain polyphenols that give it its characteristic color. When it comes to nitric oxide, polyphenols act as stabilizers by providing a longer-lasting effect, antioxidants by blocking the harmful effects produced by free radicals after metabolism, endothelial protectors by improving intrinsic production, are an excellent source of insulin, a prebiotic that helps improve our intestinal flora, have a high concentration of water-soluble vitamins, especially folic acid and vitamin B9, and fat-soluble vitamins, as well as minerals and trace elements. Pomegranates. It is one of the fruits with the highest concentration of polyphenols, and at the same time offers an excellent amount of water and fat-soluble vitamins and minerals. Orange juice. We're adding an orange juice for extra sweetness as well as for the antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that it provides, which at the same time help us to better assimilate or absorb the nitric oxide. Activated chia seeds. They provide a good amount of omega-3 fatty acids, which help with proper neural functioning. They are known for being cardiovascular and intestinal protectors, which help assimilate fat-soluble vitamins, among others. They also contain water-soluble fiber, which improves the intestinal transit and contain vitamins and minerals. When and how much of the smoothie should we drink? Ideally, you should consume 500 milliliters of the smoothie every day to obtain the benefits. And the best time to drink the smoothie would be at least 60 to 90 minutes before exercising, or even better, after working out as a recovery smoothie. Precautions and considerations to take into account. Consuming beets can cause your urine or poop to turn reddish, which will go away 2 to 3 days after eating it. If the discoloration remains for longer, ask your doctor to test you for digestive and/or renal hemorrhages. Beets contain high amounts of oxalates, although they do dissipate after being cooked and draining the water that they were cooked in. They can cause kidney stones as well as gastritis in predisposed people. They also interfere with calcium and iron absorption, which is why it's not recommended to mix dairy products, meat, or iron supplements in the same meal. It should be said that consuming excessive amounts of liquid fructose can cause gastritis as well as blood glucose destabilization. The addition of vegetable fiber can diminish this effect. As you can see, coupling these excellent nutrients so that they work in synergy and you get the most out of them is very easy and fast. Bon appetit!